Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V60. So from any screen here, if you go to menu is over here. If you go to telephone, there's nothing on telephone. You'll see there nothing's connected. So if you go to menu, there, Barry's iPhone 12, the top is OK, the bottom red is exit. So on there, connect for phone or delete. So we just turn the rotary control to delete, click the top OK, then you have to just confirm the safety catch. So that's it gone.